Did you know the most powerful pirate in history was a woman who hid a fortune worth billions in today's money? Meet Zheng Yisao. From 1807 to 1810, she commanded over 80,000 pirates and 1,800 ships. She basically ruled the Pearl River like her own country, taxing every boat that passed through. Her floating treasury collected 3 million silver coins. That's more wealth than most kings had back then. But here's where it gets crazy. When she made peace with the Chinese government in 1810, something didn't add up. She was supposed to hand over 3 million coins, but only gave them 400,000. 2.6 million coins just vanished. Her own crew saw mysterious ships leaving her fleet during secret midnight meetings. Those treasure ships were never seen again. Zheng Yisao died in 1844, taking her secret to the grave. Even today, divers keep finding scattered silver coins in the Pearl River, proving her massive treasure is still out there somewhere. Want more lost pirate treasures? Subscribe and join the hunt for history's greatest missing fortunes.